How to deactivate Instagram, a step-by-step guide. While Instagram can be a great way to connect with friends and stay updated on the latest trends, some users may find themselves needing a break. If you're looking to take a hiatus from Instagram, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. Deactivating your Instagram account is a temporary action. Your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be hidden from other users until you decide to reactivate it. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging back in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into the account you wish to deactivate. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon, which is typically located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile. Step 3. Access account settings. On your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu options. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Step 4. Select Account. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Account option. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 5. Choose Temporarily Deactivate My Account. Under the account settings, select Temporarily Deactivate My Account. Instagram will provide you with a brief explanation of what deactivating your account entails. Step 6. Provide a reason. Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deactivating your account from a drop-down menu. Choose the most appropriate option that aligns with your decision. Step 7. Re-enter your password. To confirm your identity, you'll need to re-enter your Instagram account password. Step 8. Deactivate your account. After entering your password, tap Temporarily Deactivate Account. Instagram will prompt you to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, your account will be deactivated. Deactivating your Instagram account can provide a much-needed break from the constant online presence and distractions. Following these simple steps will allow you to deactivate your account with ease. Remember that deactivation is reversible, so you can always return